Sixth grade, you are getting a white square piece of paper. I want you to put your name on the edge, a 6, and then your teacher's initial. What you're going to do is you're going to fold this paper in half, one direction, hold it while the corners are met, kind of slide to the center, and then go to the edges while you're holding it, and then take and fold it in half again. You're going to make 4 boxes. When you open them up, I want you to draw a design in one box. You can use rulers. You're using pencil for this. It can be whatever you want. It can be as detailed as you want. But I want you to realize you're going to be painting in these spots, so don't make them too small and too detailed. You know, think about line, different types of lines, zigzags, waves, shapes, and different spaces that you could do to kind of break it up, because we're going to be painting these using complementary colors, which are opposites on the color wheel. So you get the choice between doing yellow and purple and orange and red, or red and green. Orange and red. Orange and blue. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take, and after your drawing is done, you're going to fold it in half. And you're going to take your ruler like this to add pressure. And you're kind of going over your design that you can see by rubbing. As you're doing this, the pencil is feeling pressure from the other side. And it's going to print almost onto the other panel. So you can kind of see on the paper very, very lightly the lines. You may not be able to see it in my video as well, but you can see that I know exactly where to draw onto the next panel because I can see it on my paper. So that's why I'm able to redraw exactly the same drawing into the next panel. So I'm going to follow through. You're going to keep turning and rubbing the design onto the next section, and then you will have the composition in which you will paint by mixing your own complementary colors. So go ahead and keep going. So you'd fold it again. I'm going to zoom back out. You can see so far it's turned out pretty cool, and I didn't really think about the process much. So then I'm going to fold it the other direction and rub with the ruler. And once you get it in all 4 panels and retraced each time, then you will be ready for the next step. All right, thanks for listening.